their first championship in the PVL. And with me right now, she put on quite the performance, Mika Reyes! Ate Mika, sabi mo sa akin kanina, it's very important to stay present. What kept you and the high-speed hitters going all throughout those grueling 5 sets?
I think yung kapit namin sa isa't isa kasi yun talaga yung nagpa-stay sa amin together. Lagi namin sinasabi na kahit nagkaka-error kami, na nawawala na kami ng kumpiyansa, tumingin lang kami sa bawat isa.
Now, Mika, kanina di natin napag-usapan ng feelings mo. But how does it feel to now be a PVL champion with your college coaches here watching right now?
Of course, I'm very happy. We're very happy kasi after how many years nakuha namin yung championship for PLDT. So we're very, very thankful sa lahat ng walang sawang sumuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mika. And to my left, her first professional career championship, Savvy Davison! Savvy, you talked about your sacrifices, moving to another country, putting your all and trusting the process. How does it feel to now be a champion?
It feels like home. This feels like home. So I'm so happy to be a part of it. I'm so happy to experience it with all these girls. I mean, they're a talented group. Everybody here deserves to feel like this. So thank you.
Now, Savvy, the PLDT faithful want to know, will they see you back next conference?
Yes, they will. One more.
That was Savvy Davison, now a PVL champion. Jamie, who's with you right now?
And now I am with the champions here with Coach Ralph Ricafort and Kat Orlando. Coach, let's start with you. What a journey for the PLDT high-speed hitters. Wins, losses, all the heartache. How special is this PLD team?
Sobrang happy lang na after na lahat ng nangyari, nakuha rin namin gusto namin makuha. Yun nga, hindi namin makukuha kung hindi sa support ng mga nandito ngayon. Thank you po sa mga nanood. Sa mga family po ng players, maraming salamat po.
And Kath, after years and years of hard work and heartache, the time has finally come for you. And finally, nabuo yung puzzle here for you in the PVL on Tour. What does this championship mean for you?
Well, ano po talaga, tagal namin pinaghirapan to. Hindi lang kasi sa akin talaga. So, my God, speechless. Basta, sobrang thank you lang po talaga sa lahat na nandito na sumusuport sa amin. Sobrang, thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
Now, Kath, through all the ups and downs, what is your biggest lesson from this conference?
Siguro huwag kaming mag-stop. Kahit anong rank man namin, kaya naman basta together nga kami. Yun nga yung sabi. Basta together kami, sa hirap at ginhawa, hindi kami maghihinto.